favorites. It's one of the slower songs on the CD, but it's become one of our favorites, especially putting the band together. And we've been able to, I don't know, recreate songs, kind of reapproach the song, and then kind of change things, and change intros, and change the endings. And it's kind of a relaxed song all the way to the end, and it just kind of opens it. It's like this big, huge. But you'll hear that with the band, so that's not tonight. Anyways. Good story. Good story. I should tell that one more often.
Tell that more often, yeah. We both sing this one.
It's a very inspirational song, too. It's good for the new year. It's called Starting Over. To reminisce every opportunity missed, every door that didn't open, every girl guy you didn't kiss. Starting over, starting over from here, 'cause it's my turn to find out what I've learned. It's not my fault, these bridges that got burned. Right or wrong, won't be long, I'm on my way. This is not the end, 'cause tomorrow starts today. Sleep don't come so easy, no matter how hard I pray. But somewhere in the darkness, there's gotta be a better way. Starting over, starting over from here, 'cause it's my turn to find out what I've learned. It's not my fault, these bridges that got burned. Right or wrong, won't be long, I'm on my way. This is not the end, 'cause tomorrow starts today. It's my turn to find out what I've learned. It's not my fault, these bridges that got burned. Right or wrong, won't be long, I'm on my way. This is not the end, 'cause tomorrow starts today. 'Cause it's my turn to find out what I've learned. It's not my fault, these bridges that got burned. Right or wrong, won't be long, I'm on my way. This is not the end, 'cause tomorrow starts today.
As a